mga behind the scenes. Ha?
If you're a baker,
Sorry.
share mo din po yung Uber na yun.
Good day and what's up sa inyo mga kuys. Welcome. And kasama ko ngayon si Kuya Sian na nagko-content din sa kanyang activity o painting activity ngayon. Yan ang content na ginagawa niya as of now. And by the way, ang channel niya ay all about arts and crafts. So ganito namin sineseryoso ang content creation. And aside from knowledge and aside from any other material things na maipapamana namin, ay content creation ang isa sa mga skills na pwede naming ibahagi na kaalaman na pwede nilang pagtuunan o pagfokusan na malaking bagay at makakatulong sa kanilang future. For me, content creation as of now is a valuable profession whereas you can share and help others gamit ang iyong expertise and skills. The world right now needs experts and skillful person na mag-share ng kanilang mga knowledge. For example, mechanic ka ng motorcycle, why not create content about how you can fix minor problems ng motorcycle, and I know napakadaming may motorsiklo ngayon. If you are a baker, kindly share to us the behind the scenes ng iyong baking procedures. If you love plants at kung nagtatanim ka, baka meron kang masishare sa mga techniques na pwedeng gawin ng mga plantito at plantita. Just go ahead and upload the things na alam mong magbibigay ng value sa iba. Huwag ka na maghintay ng motivation to start creating. Hindi darating yan. You just need to execute and take action, and then the motivation will come to you. And again, this is Dandy Pedrita. Kung wala kang gagawing bago, wala ring magbabago sa buhay mo. Paano ba tayo magbababay? Thank you again for watching and see you again next time. Bye-bye!